Good afternoon. Congratulations on being successful in e-learning and learning from home. I have been able to see parents interacting with teachers. I have seen teachers providing services above and beyond what's being asked of them. And most importantly, I see the students are benefiting from this collaboration. I've even heard about some students who are taking this time to learn new skills on their own. So this is incredible. For those of you who have been watching along with me, thank you for coming back. Thank you for sharing the videos and for also using the strategies with your students and then sharing how those have been working. For those of you who are watching for the first time, welcome. My name is Dr. Foster and I am so pleased that you're here with us today. I have been doing these videos since this whole time has started to provide ways for parents and guardians, as well as some of the students, to learn things you can do using things you have around your home to help make learning fun, putting the fun back into those fundamentals. And today I provided a little teaser earlier, if you saw it. I was asking about what in the world we could be learning using shoes, gloves, and Uno cards. Yes, Uno cards again. So did anybody figure it out? I had a lot of people sending me about pairs, which is pretty much close to what we're talking about. But we're actually more specifically talking about matching. And that is a pre-kindergarten skill that they will need to help them learn about attributes such as color, shape, size, and so on. So, and in classrooms, the teachers will have blocks to work with and all types of manipulatives. Well, at home, you don't have those things, but guess what? You have shoes. And students can spend time just putting those pairs of shoes together. Something very easily. You can take out those shoes right before you have something to do, a call you need to be on, put them out, and have the students put those pairs together. Or you can have them working with gloves. Put those gloves together, match them, stack them on top of each other, and you're good to go. Also, if you have different types of socks, socks would be a great thing to do, especially if you've gone to the laundry and you don't feel like taking time to match all those socks together. That would be a great activity for you to save to the side for your early learners, especially if you have socks like this. These would be great for your early learners because the patterns are easy to recognize. Once you get a little more advanced, you can have the students who are able to recognize the shapes. So like you have all white socks, if they're able to look at the shapes and the length and the different designs on the white socks, that can help them put those together. With the Uno cards, you can start off with actually matching the colors first. And then once they get a little bit more advanced, letting them look directly at the numbers only. Okay? So there are a variety of things you can do with this, even using your skip cards and your reverse cards. You can either have them match those by the color or what the image is themselves. There are a lot of things you can do with these. Your number recognition, you can build off of your Uno cards, your colors, all of that. Okay, some more socks I had to show you out. I love socks, can you tell? Okay, now, if you have some students who are very advanced, they have mastered those shoes, those socks are no problem, gloves, forget about it. Okay, take it up a notch. Make it into a competition. I saw this in the video and I shared it before where you can actually incorporate some activity, some exercise into it as well. Have different things lined up, the same number for each person. And then at the end, they have a container full of all the mates. And they have to run back and forth, finding the mates and putting them together. That way you can add a little competition to it, a little more fun, a little more activity. It's all good. But if it's just one child and that child is super advanced, I have one thing that a lot of people have in their homes and they hate to do. Matching those Tupperware lids to the right container. You're going to have that child looking at the containers and trying to find the right match, putting that coordination together, popping those things on, make sure they have the right one. So there are a lot of things you can do around your home to help your students work on those skills of matching. Again, this is an activity for your pre-kindergarten students that will help with their math recognition skills later, especially when they're dealing with those attributes such as color, shape, and so on that they'll be using later when it comes time to work more in geometry. Again, thank you for joining me today. Didn't have a whole lot to share with you. Some ideas you probably already thought about, but guess what? A lot of these things you've already been thinking about, that you've already been doing, those are great skills to help enhance your students' learning and to help them get ready for work back when they return to the classrooms, or in this case, when they start in the classroom. If you have any questions, please feel free to reach out to me. I'm Dr. Foster. You can find me at teacherfoster@gmail.com. Of course, I'm here on Facebook, and feel free to reach out to me and send me an inbox message. Or if you want to go back and look at the videos later, I have compiled them on a YouTube channel, and you can find them under Fostering the Future videos. Again, it's been great seeing you today, or being here with you today. I look forward to seeing you next time. Oh, and if you haven't been to the YouTube channel, please stop by and take a look. In addition to the videos that I've produced and created, there are some from my colleagues as well that's providing great information about some things your students will need in different levels. So far, I have information on there from primary level math teachers. I have some English language arts teachers, both on middle school level and high school levels, lessons coming. One on elementary level, and there are more videos coming. I have plenty of colleagues who are excited about being able to share this information with you. We're here to help you at any time. Again, it's been great seeing you. Until next time, everyone, stay safe, stay home, and I'm happy to do my part to help you in fostering the future. Bye-bye, everybody.